Testing out this new Etenwolf pump. Look at that, 37. It was 33 because it's winter time, and it did it pretty quick. Wow, I love this thing. Here we go again. It's at 33 and a half. It's set at truck mode, as you can see that LED at the top, and I set it specifically for 37 because it's cold out and I like it a little higher. And then once you did that, then just hit start. Already. I had another pump that I got on Amazon that it could not pump these big old 35s, or actually 34 and a half. This thing's doing a hell of a job. Woo! Love it. Alright, we're on the last tire here. We're at 33.3. And let's see. All we do is hit start. Alright, not bad now. Take a look over here. Front left tire. We're already at 37s on all of them. And this thing's so damn fast. I mean, it's amazing. That boom, 35 already. Definitely take this on the road if you're going anywhere. I'm gonna be pumping up 2 other cars. So we got all tires all pumped up. They're all at 37, perfect for a nice October day in Texas. It's been cold out, therefore the tire pressures have been down on all our cars, specifically my Jeep. So here's the little guy. Etenwolf. It was on sale for $99 on Amazon, and normally I think it was going for $160. But like I said, if you buy like a $50, $60 one, forget about it if you're pumping big truck tires up. It comes with a nice bag, great instructions in here, USB, and you can also what do you call it? Has an inflate deflate. In the back here, you can also plug in your USB-C, USB connectors if you want to recharge your phones and whatnot. Other connectors, and I said the inflator, deflator, big thing here. I love this thing, and this cord just wraps around. This is about a 30-inch cord. This thing's freaking awesome. That lightweight, less than maybe 8 pounds. This thing's a beast too. I'm gonna turn it off. So you just press and hold the power, which is the start, stop, start, pause. Hold it down, it should turn off. There it is. Cool. Get yourself one. We are on our last tire. This is the 3rd car, the Honda, and a lot of these were dropped at least 10 because it's been cold in October here in Texas. So again, Etenwolf doing a good job, and we're down to about 3 bars out of 4. So out of 3 vehicles, that ain't too bad. Start this one.